Thank you, Amit, for the introduction. And we're about to start the race. The last siren is gone in. 1 minute for the race to start. Welcome all viewers. We are at the MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020 round 1, the post-COVID session. We're all eager to start the race, and it's been a wonderful afternoon, sunny afternoon here at Chennai. And the grid is ready. I will describe the grid and all the riders as we go through the race. Right. The 30-second boards will be now shown by the checkered flag. Okay, that's the grid on your screen now. Starting from P1. Arvind Selvam on P1, Mohan Babu on P2, and Ashish Rungta on P3. And on P4, Alvin Sundar, P4, Ullas Satput. And the race has begun. That's a clean start by all riders, and the riders are now moving to the turn 1 of the Madras Motorsports racetrack. A crucial turn, as the first turn is very crucial as all the riders jumping together, and the riders are now moving towards turn 2, and that's the start of the MRF MMSC FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship race 1. That's the stock up to 165cc novice category. Right, we can see quite a few riders going out there between C2 and C3, turn 2 and turn 3, and the front bunch has already separated. We'll let you know the leaders as we get closer, as the camera gets closer to the riders. Viewers, we have 40 riders on this grid. There's 40 riders competing in this category, and yesterday was the qualifying session for it, and it was a tough qualifying session with 40 bikes on grid, and it was a superb sight to watch. And as you see now, the front bunch is moving towards the fast right-hander. And we see rider number 23 or 28. Pardon my eyesight. We will update you on the riders as they cross the start-finish line. The riders are now approaching the S turns. That's the turn 12. Here the leaders are now approaching the left, right and the left-handers. We also call it the S turns. Yep. Now the leader is entering onto the bridge corner, and we will update the status of the riders as they cross the start-finish line. The riders are now crossing the start-finish line, and on the leading position is competition number 84. Competition number 28, Ullas Satpute, followed by Arvind Selvam at 36, and on the third position is Mohan Babu, and on the fourth position is Alvin Xavier. The riders are now moving to the second lap at turn 2, the leaders, and on fifth position was Nitin, and on sixth position is Ashish Rungta. Ashish started from row 1, and he's moved down to 7th position now. The riders are now moving towards turn 4, the leader. And Ullas Satpute, Ullas is from RACR Castrol Power team. And Ullas has been riding for last 2 years, and I've been observing this kid actually doing well off one by year. Oh, we have a crash at turn 4. There are 2 bikes that's crashed out. I can definitely see one of the bike is 98, bike number 98, and both the riders are safe, so that's fine. That's an yellow flag section there, and at post 5 you can see the green flag on. So the riders have to be cautious in the yellow flag segment, and they cannot overtake. And a brilliant job by marshals moving towards the riders and first taking care of the riders' safety. Right, coming back to the race, the leaders have just crossed the fast right-hander. Still see that Ullas is leading the race there. Ullas is leading the pack, followed by Mohan Babu. I think it's Arvind. It's Arvind there on the second position, and third position is Mohan Babu. So the first three riders are actually getting separated. The race leader is 76. Right, viewers. The race leader is number 70, followed by 1515. I'll give you the finishing order of lap 2 in a while. Yes, the lap 2 finishing order was led by Alvin Xavier, followed by Arvind Selvam, and on the third place is Ullas. Ullas has moved to third place, and on the fourth place is Mohan Babu, and on the fifth place is Nitin S. Where is Ashish? Ashish, who started from the third position, is moved down to seventh position. So there's a pretty strong fight happening for the first 4 positions there between Alvin Xavier, Mohan Babu, Arvind Selvam, and Ullas Satpute there. Alvin Xavier represents team Rockstar Racing. Mohan Babu is a privateer, and Ashish Rungta represents Sparks Racing, and Ullas Satpute represents RACR. The riders are now come through the fast right-hander and moving towards the left-hander. That's the end of intermediate 2 or the sector 2 and moving to the sector 3. The racetrack is split into 3 sectors or 3 intermediate segments to divide, so that we get 3 different timing per sector. So the sum of all the 3 sectors will be a lap time. This would actually help the riders and the tuners to tune the bike, and riders to improve their riding techniques based on the sector where they see their timing going down or going up, and accordingly. We see a change in the leaderboard. We see a change. Looks like Arvind Selvam has taken over from Xavier. As the riders are coming down the bridge corner, I see a green color bike, and that must be Arvind Selvam. Let's just wait. Yeah, bike number 36. That's Arvind Selvam leading, followed by Ullas, and on third position is Xavier. On third position is Xavier. The riders are now moving towards turn 2, and we see a movement there by a new rider number 59. Nitish S is moved into the front bunch. Nitish S is of Sparks Racing, who's moved onto the bunch, and there are 4 people fighting for the top position now as the riders move towards the turn 3 and heading towards the straight. As we approach turn 4, the leader is Arvind Selvam. Arvind Selvam is moving away from Ullas Satpute, and on the third position, on third position is Nitish S of Sparks Racing. Right, the riders are moved into the sector 2 and are into the red section of the track, and Arvind Selvam still leading, and Arvind Selvam comes from Rule X Rockers Racing. Oh, there is a crash. A rider is fallen off, but the rider is safe. We could see the rider is safe. Right, I was mentioning Arvind Selvam represents team Rule X Rockers Racing from Chennai. Okay, there is a change. Ullas Satpute has overtaken Selvam. Ullas Satpute from Bangalore, representing RACR Castrol Power Team. Ullas Satpute now leads from Bangalore, team RACR, followed by Arvind Selvam, and on the third position, as I see into the TV screens, I think on the third position is Nitin. Yes, it looks like Nitin from Sparks Racing on the third position. The riders are now entering the bridge complex and getting down the bridge. And Ullas has taken a significant lead from at least a 5 bike lengths lead, and Selvam on second. And on number 3 is Nitin S from Sparks Racing. There are 2 more laps to go. There's the penultimate lap, and yes, Nitin S is making a move at turn 1, and yes, he's successful, and he's moved to P2. Nitin S is now on P2. Ullas maintains his lead, and Nitish is back in third position. Yes, viewers, as I mentioned you, there's a very long grid. The grid is consisting of 40 riders, and this is one of the longest grid that we see year on year. The grid size is only increasing, and this year the entries had to be stopped at 40 because the track only permits 40 riders at a time. So that's the reason it was restricted at 40 entries, and we have a full grid. We see an yellow flag waved at turn 5. Hope the riders are safe. Yep, there's a double yellow flag at post 6, and we see marshals pushing a vehicle. So there's no injured rider there, I see, so things are fine there. And talking about the leaders, yes, Raj Satpute is leading, followed by very closely by Selvam. Yes, as the riders are coming on the back straight, there's a good fight, and there's rider number 18. 1-8. Mohan Babu, who is leading the race, followed by Ullas, and on third position is it Nitin? Yes, on third position is Arvind Selvam, and on fourth is Nitish, and there's a fifth person joining on to this brigade. Now, Selvam makes a move and he moves. Oh, there has been a crash. Arvind Selvam has crashed out of the race. We'll have to see the race officials if there are going to be any penalties, or is it a racing incident. We'll have to wait for the official communication. As of now, the race continues, and Raj Satpute is leading. My mistake. Ullas is leading the race, followed by Nitish. Yes, and on the third position is Alvin Xavier. Okay, as my screens are updated here, there is a correction. On first place is Ullas, followed by Xavier, and on third position is Nitin S. The riders are on the last lap. So this is the first race of the MRF MMSC FMSA Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020 Stock 165cc category novice, and the last lap of race 1. Ullas is leading. Ullas from RACR is leading, and in the second place is Nitin S of Sparks Racing, and on third place is Alvin Xavier from Team Rockstar Racing. The leader is now on the backside of the track, on the race side at the bowl, and there is still a double yellow flag at the back. That only means that you cannot overtake in the yellow flag segment. Right? The riders are now moving towards the back straight, and there is a fight between Ullas and Nitish there, fighting. That's competition number 28 and 59, and Nitish is now moved to fourth position, and Mohan Babu fighting there at the third place. He did show his nose to the rider number 2 there, but still couldn't keep up with it. And Ullas is now leading the race as they move towards the bridge complex. There's a tricky corner. This is where Selvam had fallen off. Okay, Ullas, as the riders climb the bridge, Ullas is leading, followed by Alvin Xavier, and in third place is Mohan Babu. Yes, Ullas there, followed by rider number 59. Yes, Ullas wins the race. Ullas from RACR Bangalore wins the race, and that was a very close fight, and this is a well-deserved race by Ullas. Ullas has been racing in this category for 2 years, and every year he's been showing excellent performance. But he, as I remember 2 years ago, he used to be always in the top 15, and last year he was on the top 6, top 7, and this year the race 1, he wins the race. A brilliant start by Ullas from RACR, Team RACR. Oh, I think Ullas is fully emotional. He's just dropped his bike, and you can see the emotions there. Can't express this. Can't express these emotions. Great show by Ullas there. So the second place was by Nitin S of Sparks Racing. Nitin S of Sparks Racing, and the third place was Mohan Babu. Mohan Babu finished third. Sorry for the pause, viewers there. Mohan Babu finished third. And on the fourth position was Alvin Xavier. Alvin really fought well. The first four riders were bunched up all the way together. I'm also surprised by another rider, Sheshadri S of Sparks Racing. As mentioned, Sheshadri has also been riding in this category for the last 3 years, and a significant performance in his personal timing as well as his position has been a brilliant progress. And we see every year there's a whole bunch of new riders who come into it. Remember, in the novice category, you need to be below 23 years of age and should have never won any race in the past. So this is a stepping stone, or this is the first category where a rider would get into to start his racing career. And it's a brilliant start where you need to get a stock category bike. That means you just buy a bike from a showroom. You need to do very, very little modification. Modification in the sense you need to remove a few components like your mirrors and grills, more for safety reasons. Details available on Federation website. And it's a very easy method to start off with our racing. So we've come to the end of the first race. We'll be starting our next race. That is the TVS One Make Championship 2020 organized by MMSC. The next one would be TVS One Make RR 310 for the expert category. We will be back soon. Thank you.
Were doing better than me. Yeah, it was good race today. Felt good. Bike was in very good connection with me. Felt good. I like to thank my mechanics and Rajni Anna, and I like to dedicate this podium to my grandmother and my dog who passed away recently. And this is for you. You deserve it, boy. Deserve it. Deserve it. Thank you. Love you, Daddy. Raju. Love you, huh? Shiana, thank you.
Yeah, it was good. So I had a good start, and I was leading with the front bench. So at last, two of the rider crashed. So I just went in my pace and finished the race. So I would like to thank my team Sparks Racing and my sponsor Motol Yamaha. So and my mother. So the main reason I'm here because of my mother. She supported me a lot. So great thanks to my mother and people who all supported me. Thank you. It was a good race. From the first lap itself, the race was good. From the first lap itself, the race was good, and the top five are very interesting with fights between first three of them. And last lap I had a crash with Arvind Selvam, so I can't able to push, but I try to manage the position to finish in top three. By the way, from the race finish, I had the third one. Thanks.